What's up, guys? Give me some feedback if you hear the audio and see the video. Smash that like button. You hear me? Awesome, awesome, awesome. How's everybody's Friday doing tonight? What am I drinking? Nothing much. Just a little taste. Nothing crazy. Loud and clear. Awesome. I hear myself loud and clear as well. So I just got these. Pretty cool. Pretty awesome when you want to mute out the wife and kids. I like drinking water. That's why I like this stuff. Okay. So, how's everybody's Friday doing tonight? Where's everybody coming in from? Where's everybody coming in from? Type in the chat quickly. I see you. Oklahoma, Mexico, Jonathan Korb. I see you, Stefan. Tony, I see you, buddy. Relaxing after work. California in the house. Got a couple of Californians in here. Miami. Woo! Arizona. Good morning. Good morning. I see you. Keith Coleman. What's going on? Keith in the house. I see you. So I got a big present today. I was like, what the heck is this? Had no idea. Came home after going out. FedEx had brought me a huge box here. Huge. I'm like, what the hell is this? I didn't even know about this. This is like a total surprise. So I want to open it up with you guys. How's that? All right. Maybe I do know what it is. Maybe I do know what it is. Maybe I don't. Gee, I wonder what it could be. So let's open it up. Good old razor blade. All right. Before I take out what's in the box, let's do a little quiz. Let's do a quiz. How many people know a lot about Lambos on here? Anybody? So if we look at this engine here, what's missing? What's missing in here? What's missing, guys? What's missing? If anybody can tell me what's missing, right, and you get the answer correct, we're going to send you a free bag of X Finishes pearls. First giveaway tonight. What do you mean by that? Sinformant? What do you mean by that? You got to be a little bit more specific than that. That covers the exhaust. Anybody else? Anybody else, guys? Sinformant, I think you just won. I think you just won. Let's take a look here. What is in here, guys? What is in here? What is in here? What is this? Oh, God. It looks like the covers that go in the engine bay. That's what's missing. All of this stuff, right? Of course, I got to put it on. But here's one piece. Here's another piece. And here is the back piece. There we go. Perfect. Goes back here like this. All right, all buttoned in. Cool. Cool. So apparently when I bought the car, I got the car and it was all missing in here. I'm like, what the heck's going on? So they were like, oh, the owner had it in his garage when they were working on the exhaust and they left it. So now we got all the pieces, man. Pretty awesome. Snap right in. Looks great. Yeah. So Sinformant, I think that's your name. I barely saw your title there, the name. Send my support desk an email saying that you won a bag of pearls, and we will send that out to you, all right? Go to learnautobodyandpaint.com. Excuse me. Click on contact and open up a support ticket and give us your address. And actually, you could actually just go to Zula.com. Go to Zula.com and we'll pick out any pearl or any flake that you want. And we will mail you a bag free. You won. All right. That was pretty quick. I didn't expect anybody to get that quick. Happy New Year from the Philippines. Awesome. Yeah, it's almost 2018. Wow. Unbelievable. VIP, love it. Parts cost too much. Not sure what you're talking about. I didn't pay for these parts. They came with the car. Oil filter was literally like 10 bucks. And I did the oil change myself last week. Pretty easy, except for the 7 drain plugs. A lot of drain plugs. It's like, oh my God, 7 drain plugs? Happy New Year. It's almost 2018. Can you believe it? So what are you guys going to be doing for 2018? Any big plans in your life, your lifestyle? Tony, what can we use the low volume, low pressure spray gun? You could use it for anything. You can use your low volume, low pressure spray gun for anything. All it means is that you need less air, less volume. You don't need a large air compressor to do any, body. You could basically do it with a small 20, 30 gallon air tank. Drinking on New Year's, working on the Porsche. Awesome. What kind of Porsche you got, Tony? These are pretty crazy, actually. It's Bluetooth connected. I hear myself, but it's very, want to open a detail shop. Stay retired and have fun. 944. Awesome, awesome. AICS USA. What's your name? I see you on here a lot. You're the real estate dude. Hey, guys, smash the like button, guys. Come on. We just gave you free pearl or flake to the winner that noticed that these engine covers are missing. They were missing. They were missing, and I'm glad I got them because this is like $400 in parts if I wanted to buy it. Maybe even more. Maybe even more. But I'm glad I got it. I think it could use a nice Vinylex. I would have said Armor All, but Armor All, I'm not that big of a fan. If you guys want to use some really good stuff, this stuff is freaking great. It's called Vinylex. You guys ever use that? It is like the best stuff for raw plastic on cars. This is the shit. Not sure if you guys ever used this before. I don't even know if they make it. I know when they were selling it, I bought a box of this. Happy New Year's, guys. I couldn't tell you where they sell it now. I bought a box like 5 years ago. Um, I'm sure. I mean, look, it's a Lexol product. Lexol product. I'm sure they still sell it. I mean, it's good stuff. Really good. It'll keep your plastics on your car looking really nice for a long time. Happy New Year, everybody, on Monday. Happy New Year. How many of these I got left? I got a few of these left. Walmart has it. There you go. Walmart has it, guys. Go to Walmart ASAP, but it's really good stuff. I like it a lot. It doesn't dry out in 2 days like Armor All. Armor All will literally just dry out, you know. But I mean, it's okay. Armor All is good for the quick fix. Anything else in here? Anything else? Nothing. How many VIPs on the call tonight? Any VIPs on? VIP, Genesis, VIP. Tony, I got wax on plastic. How do I restore plastic? I like to use, it's tough. You gotta, I use lacquer thinner. Quick. You gotta be quick though, because you don't want to melt it. VIP, we got a handful of VIPs in the house. You could just try to use soap water with the scrub brush to get that wax out of the pores. I do that. If it doesn't come out, then I'll use a little bit of lacquer thinner and I'll just put it on a rag and just wipe it out. It cleans it out really well. And then I'll use some of the Vinyl X and just put it on there. So it looks like I gotta take this shock out here to get that side in, because it doesn't look like it fits right in, especially the right side. But this goes right here. And then that goes on it. Cool. It's gonna look nice when it's all put together. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sweet. Oil. Nice. Cool, guys. $90,000 for a radiator. Well, you got to remember those Bugattis, I think they have 10 to 15 radiators in that thing. So that's probably the reason why it's so much money. But it's not just one radiator. I know there's a minimum of 10 radiators in those Bugattis. Ridiculous. But hey, that's what you get if you're going 240 miles an hour, right? Pretty crazy. So how's everybody doing? How's the winter? Getting cold up by you guys? I know down here in Dallas it's like 30s. Next week it's going to be like 20s at night, 20s and 30s. Not the best time or season to do auto body and work on cars, but sometimes you got to do it. Just bought Vinyl X on Amazon. Oh, God. Cold here. 62 today. Somebody said 80. Winter sucks. 3 to go. Oh, God. What year is the Lambo? It's 2011 with 20,000 miles on it. 72. God, I admire that. 72. Snowing. 12. Oh, my goodness gracious. That's cold. Not sure if it connected. We back on? Cool. I didn't think it was going to work. I had a lot of problems with the live streaming the phone a couple of weeks ago, but after I deleted it and reinstalled it, it does all of this awesome. Like, it goes live, no problem. It also reconnects the stream as well. So there you go. If you guys are having an issue with apps, completely delete off your phone and then reinstall it. Sometimes that helps. So So yeah, we're gonna be doing a photo shoot with this with some girl, some hot girl. Well, we got two girls, and we're gonna be doing. So I want to get that done before I actually do the photo shoot because I want to have her, modeling this and then modeling with that as well. Um, but the weather sucks. I just, it sucks. Clear Cut has lots of fisheye. You could try to cut and buff it out. Is she single? I have no idea. I just hired her. We're gonna be doing the photo shoot soon. She's beautiful girl, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, I took this out today, man. This thing is killer, 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 killer on the road, man. First time I painted my bike, it was hot color tangerine candy. Well, I actually one of the trucks I painted was a 1991. Yep, I'm gonna be painting this black grill on the Lambo here. This is gonna be gloss black back here. That's what we're gonna do. I don't think I'm gonna be doing a lot of mods. I'm ordering a bunch of cool decals for it, for the websites and all. So we're gonna have a cool, decals all over it. The covers I'm not gonna paint. I mean, it's plastic. It's in really good shape. It looks like. I think just clean it and put the vinyl stuff on it. It'll be nice. There's no sense to paint this stuff because over time it will crack. Especially in a hot engine bay. It'll look good for 6 months or a year, depending on how well you take care of it. But if you start painting stuff, it'll crack over time. It'll start to bubble, peel, and look like crap. Then you got more work cut out for you. So I mean, I've done it. That's why I know. Uh, so yeah, that's that. um, I don't know. I kind of. Hopefully we're back. All right. Thank you for watching. All right. I just wanted to say happy Friday. Have a great weekend. We will be back on with the live streams next week, with some new videos as well. I got some videos coming up on YouTube. So smash the like button, guys, before you leave. And we're going to be doing, I got a lot of things planned out for the coming months in 2018 for Auto Body. We got a lot of little projects we're going to work on. A lot of new videos going to come up. A lot of videos going to be uploaded to VIP. We have a brand new membership site that we're moving people over to. So if you want to get access to the new membership site, open up support ticket if you're VIP, and we'll get you in the new membership site. We just revamped the whole thing. It looks freaking amazing. What else? And yeah, it's gonna be a great 2018. In warmer months, we're gonna bang on the project. I may head down next in 2 weeks. I go to Hawaii. Then after that, I might go into Japan. Should take off Wi-Fi. Yeah. All right. So anyway, I will keep you guys posted. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great Friday night, and I'll talk to you guys soon. All right. Peace. Have a night. Love you guys too. Thank you. Happy New Year, everybody. Maybe we'll stream like a Happy New Year or something. Who knows? Peace out.